So today we are taking a culinary journey to the beautiful coastal state of Goa to explore a truly authentic dish, Goan Chicken Xacuti. This isn't any chicken curry, it is a complex symphony of flavor with a rich history. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of making this authentic Goan Chicken Xacuti. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 1 kg chicken cut in medium pieces, add some salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and then give it a nice mix. And marinate it for about 1 hour. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 1 onion sliced, and fry it until the onion is nice and light brown. Then add 1 teaspoon white poppy seeds, 3 garlic cloves, 1 maize spice, 12 cloves, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, half tablespoon cumin seeds, 3 Kashmiri dry red chilies, 1 star anise, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 2 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 inch ginger, and fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 tomato and fry it until the tomato is soft. Then add 200 grams freshly grated coconut and fry it until the coconut is nice and light brown. Make sure it is something like this. Then add half cup chopped coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and fry it for few seconds. Then leave it aside and allow it to cool down slightly. Then take a mixer jar, add the fried spices and coconut, add 1 cup water and blend it to a smooth paste. So the Xacuti masala is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 1 onion chopped, and fry it until the onion is soft. Then add 1 tomato chopped, 2 green chilies, and then fry it until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then add the marinated chicken and give it a nice mix. You can also add potatoes cut in cubes at this point if you like. Then add half cup water and then cover it and cook it for about 15 minutes. Then add the Xacuti masala which was previously made. Add 3 cups water and give it a nice mix. Then add 1 stock cube add some salt to taste and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then give it a nice mix. Then add 1 tablespoon vinegar, handful of chopped coriander leaves, and then give it a nice mix. And boil it until the curry is nice and thick. And there you have it guys, a truly authentic Goan Chicken Xacuti. The rich aromatic gravy infused with the flavors of coconut and other spices perfectly complements the tender chicken. This dish is a testament to the unique culinary heritage of Goa. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.